Hello and welcome back to Blue Mountain Tutorials. Today we're discussing a major development in the world of cryptocurrency, Ripple's recent XRP sales. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Smash the like button and leave a comment with anything you want to ask. Background on Ripple and XRP. For those unfamiliar, Ripple is a technology company that provides real-time, cross-border payment solutions using blockchain technology. XRP is the digital currency used by Ripple to facilitate these payments. Q4 XRP sales. According to a recent article on Yahoo Finance, Ripple sold a staggering $226 million worth of XRP in the fourth quarter of 2022. This is a significant increase from their third quarter sales of just under $90 million. The impact of XRP sales on the market. This large amount of XRP being sold has sparked a lot of conversation and speculation in the cryptocurrency community. Some experts predict that the increase in supply could lead to a decrease in XRP's value, while others believe it will have little to no effect. Ripple's reasoning. So, why did Ripple decide to sell such a large amount of XRP in the fourth quarter? The company has stated that the sales were part of their ongoing strategy to support liquidity and maintain the health of XRP markets. They also emphasized that their sales accounted for less than 1% of the total XRP volume traded in the quarter. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Ripple's Q4 XRP sales have generated a lot of buzz in the cryptocurrency world. While the impact of these sales on the market remains to be seen, it's clear that Ripple is committed to supporting the health of XRP markets and maintaining liquidity. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story, and we'll bring you any updates as they become available. Thanks for watching Blue Mountain Tutorials YouTube channel. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. See you in the next one.